Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Feri Nuryanto. I'm here to present the midterm question given by Miss Lenny. Okay, before I start the presentation, I would like to apologize if my explanation is not very great or if there if there are still many mistakes. I'm seriously uh, apologize to Miss Lenny and to everyone watching this video. So let's go straight to the discussion. Okay, there are 5 questions and each question has points A, B and C for I to answer. First, explain the meaning of digital literacy and describes in main components in the context of education. Okay, first number and point A defines digital literacy. 1.A defines digital literacy accurately. Digital literacy refers to the ability to access, evaluate, create, and communicate information using digital technologies responsibly and actively. In the context of education, digital literacy enables students and teachers to use digital tools to support learning, problem solving and collaboration. And point B identifies and explains at least 3 core components: AG information literacy, media literacy, and ICT skills. 3 core components of digital literacy include information literacy, which involve finding and evaluating credible information; media literacy, which focus on understanding, analyzing, creating digital media messages; and ICT skills, which refer to technical abilities such as using computers, online platforms, and education software. Okay, and point C provides relevant examples from education setting. For example, in education settings, students may use Google Classroom to submit assignment, analyze online articles from. Okay, answer for number 2.A. Teachers can integrate digital literacy by using strategies such as project-based learning, where students create digital products, videos, presentation, blogs, and blended learning, which combines face-to-face instruction with online activities. And answer number 2.B. These strategies enhance students' learning outcomes by promoting critical thinking, creativity, teamwork, and independent learning. Answer number 2.C. Example of classroom application include assigning online research tasks, using simulation during science lessons, or integrating educational apps to support language learning. Okay, answer for number 2.A. Teachers can integrate digital literacy by using strategies such as project-based learning, where students create digital products, videos, presentation, blogs, and blended learning, which combines face-to-face instruction with online activities. And answer number 2, point B, these strategies enhance students' learning outcomes by promoting critical thinking, creativity, teamwork, and independent learning. Answer number 2, point C, example of classroom application include assigning online research tasks, using simulation during science lessons, or integrating educational apps to support language learning. Number 3, point A, teaching media plays an essential role in developing students' digital literacy because it provides access to digital tools and learning environments where students can practice and apply digital skills. The relationship between teaching media and literacy in complementary. Digital teaching media supports learning, while digital literacy enables students to use the media effectively. Point B, different types of digital teaching media include interactive videos, learning management system (LMS), such as Google Classroom or Moodle, digital simulations, educational apps, and multimedia presentation. Point C, this media enhance students' digital competencies by encouraging them to navigate online platforms, evaluates digital contents, collaborates virtuality, and create digital outputs for intense interactive simulation, assignment, submission, and feedback. Okay, answer for number 4, point A, teachers commonly face several challenges, including lack of access to digital device or reliable internet, limited teacher readiness where teachers may not have sufficient training in digital tools, and the digital divide where students have unequal access to technology at home. Number 4, point B, the causes of these challenges often include financial limitation, insufficient schools infrastructure, low digital training opportunities, and socio-economic differences among students. Number 4, answer point C, possible solutions include providing regular digital training for teachers, increasing schools' investment in ICT facilities, collaborating with government or private sectors for technology support in implementing schools programs that allow students to borrow devices or access school internet for learning. And the last, number 5, point A in answer, digital literacy significantly enhances students' critical thinking because it teaches them to evaluate the credibility of online source, compare information, and make informed decisions. It also supports creativity by enabling students to use digital tools to design multimedia projects, express ideas innovatively, and engage in problem-solving activities. And point B, examples of digital tools that foster these skills include Canva for creating digital poster, Google Scholar for evaluating academic information and video editing school tools that allow students to produce creative digital contents. The last point C, number 5, reflective understanding, so that when students develop digital literacy, they become more analytical, more innovative, and more confident in using technology for learning. Okay, and that is all the answer from I. If I made any mistakes in my words, I apologize, because I'm only an ordinary human who can be right or wrong. I also apologize if my presentation earlier was a bit disappointing. I will end it here. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.